So today we are going to start our chapter 3, square, squares and square roots. What is a square? A square means if we multiply a number with itself, like if I multiply 2 by 2, then 4. 4 is the square of 2. So, and what are the perfect square? A natural number is called a perfect square if it is the square of a natural number. Okay, so there 2 is a natural number. So, and 4 is the square of 2. So what is a perfect square? Perfect square is like here in this case, uh, a 4. 4 is a natural number, which is a perfect square of a natural number 2. Okay, so a natural number is called a perfect square, which is the square of a natural number. So 4 is the square of 2. So 4 is it is our perfect square of 2. Okay, and properties. There are properties for perfect square. So what are the properties? So first property is a perfect square is never negative. Means a perfect square is always positive. Is always positive. Okay. And the second is a square number ends with 237. Means if any number is ending with 2, 3, 7 or 8. If any number is ending with these numbers, then that number is not a perfect square. Okay. And property 3 is the number of zeros at the end of a perfect square is always even. Means suppose if I have a number this 1000, here zeros are odd, 1 2 3, so odd number of zeros, so it is not a perfect square. It is not a perfect square. But if I write this number even 0, then it is a perfect square. Means in perfect square there are even number of zeros. And fourth property is the square of an even number is always even and square of an odd number is always odd. So if I take the example of 4, 4 is even. Square of 4 is 16, which is also even. And odd number is 3. Square of odd number is always odd. So it is even and it is odd. Another property 5. The square of a proper fraction is always less than the given fraction. If I write like this 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is a proper fraction. So square of 1 by 2 will be 1 by 4, which is less than 1 by 2. So a square of a proper fraction is always less than the given fraction. Means 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 4. Okay. And 6. The square of a decimal number less than 1 is always less than the given decimal. Means suppose 0.2, this is a decimal number less than 1. So square of 0.2 will be 0.04, which is less than 0.2. Okay, means Square of a decimal number which is less than 1 is also less than the given decimal. Okay, this is first question is find the squares of the following numbers. So for finding the square, we simply multiply the given number with itself. Means square of 15 will be 15 into 15, which is 225. So in this way, solve all the questions. And question number two, determine whether square of the following numbers will be even or odd. So here in this question, first question is 529. So it is saying the square of this number is even or odd. So simply don't multiply. Okay, simply just do one thing. If it is saying that if I square this number, so the result will be even or odd. So just see the unit place number. It is 9, which is odd. So square of an odd number is always odd. So okay, and square of even number, which is second question, 30976. It is an even number, so square of this number will be even. Okay, square of this number will be even. And question number third, just by looking at the following numbers, give reasons why they are not perfect square. So we know the if any number is ending with 2, 3, 7 or 8, then the number is not a perfect square. So the first is 4893. So number is ending with 3. So this number is ending with 3. So it is not a perfect square. So in this way, uh, uh, do the rest questions. And question number 4, using prime factorization method, find which of the following are perfect square numbers. So using uh, prime factorization, so here is 100. So prime factor of 100 will be, just find the prime factors. I'm starting with 5. Okay, so the prime factors of 100 is 5, 5, 2 and 2. So both are in pair, so it is a perfect square of 10. Means 100 is a perfect square number. So 100 is a perfect square. And second question, 284. Just check this number, find its prime factors. So prime factors of 284 will be, so now it is a 71, it is not divisible. Okay, so it is not the prime factors of this number is this. So uh, 71 left. Okay, it is remainder. So it is not a perfect square. So in this way solve the other questions. And now the question number 5. Using prime factorization method, find the square root of the following numbers. So 256, find the square root of this number by prime factorization. So first find the prime factors. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 2. Or we can make the write in pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 means 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 to the 16. 16 and 16. So it is a square of 256 is the square of 16. So square root of 256 will be 16 only. Okay. And question number second, 1936. So prime factors of 1936 will be mm, just now I'm taking the bigger digit. Okay, 4. Now just write 2 again 2, and now it is divisible by 11. 11. So just make the pairs. This is and this is means it is a square of 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 11 into 11 means it is a square of 4. 4 into 11 square means 44 square. So 1936 is the square of 44. So root of 1936 will be 44. In this way find the square root of the another numbers. And question number 6, find the square root of the following fraction. So how to find the square root of the fraction? First is 529 upon 1225. Simply we will find the prime factors of 529 and 1225 separately. So prime factors of 529. So 529 is the square of 23. Okay. So it is the square of 23. and 1225 is the, just find the prime factors of this number. And 7 means 1225 is the square of 35. Okay, and 529 is the square of 23. So we can write 529 upon 1225. So square root of this number will be 529 23 upon 35 square. So 23 upon 35 will be square root. So in this way. And question number second, just see one more question. 1 4 upon 3249. So 1444. And 361. 361 is the square of 19. So, and now the prime factors of 3249. It is bit a lengthy process, but solve this. 3 3 1 are 3, 0 0, 3 3 are 9, and 1083. Again 3 3 3 are 9, 3 6 are 18, and 3 1 are 3. 361. So again it is a square of 19. So we can write 14444 upon 3249 root. So 144 is square of 38, and 3249 is square of 57. So square root of this number is 38 upon 57 in this way. Okay, solve these questions. And question number 7, simplify. First question is under root 10 square minus 6 square. So solve this. 100 minus 36, which is 64, and 64 is the square of 8. So square root of this number will be 8. And question number 2, minus root 9 upon 16, and root 64 upon 81. So this number is 3 upon 4 square. It is a square of 3, it is a square of 4, and this is 8 by 9. 3 3s are 9, 4 2s are 8, minus 2 by 3. Question number third. 16 upon 36 plus 1 by 4. Just take the LCM. 9, 25 upon 36, and this is 5 by 6. This is our answer. And now the question number 9, sorry, question number 8. Find the square root of 1024. Hence, find the value of this uh, given term. Then first find the square root of 1024. So prime factors of 1024 will be so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This and this means this is 2 to the power 5 and this is 2 to the power 5. So this is 32 and this is also 32. So 1024 is square of 32. So the root of 1024 will be 32. So here square root of 1024, 32, square root of 10.24 will be 3.2, and square root of 0.1024 is equal to 0.32, and square root of 1024, 1234 is 3200. Okay, so solve the question, given question. 10.24 plus 0.1024 plus 1024, 1234. So this is square root of this number is, so how to solve this? First we can write this number in this way: 3.2 into 3.2, this is, and we can write this number 0.32 into 0.32. Okay, and this number is the square of 3200. So 3.2 plus 0.32 plus 3200. Now add these numbers. You can do some rough work over here if you like, or you can add directly 0.00, 3.2 and 0.32. So number is 253,023. So answer is 3203.52. This is our answer. And question number 9. Find the smallest number by which each of the given number must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect square. Also find the square root of this new number. First we have to find the least number with which to multiply the number to make it a perfect square. So first is 175. So prime factors of 175 will be, this is 5 into 5 into 7. So it is not a perfect square because it is single number, so multiply by 7. So now it is a perfect square. So what is this number is, uh, 25 into 49. The number is 1225. This new number is 1225. So the square root of 1225 will be 35. Okay. Uh, in the same way, solve these questions. And question number 10. Find the smallest number by which each of the given numbers must be divided so that the quotient is a perfect square, and also find the square root of this quotient. So first is 2700. So prime factors of this number, so prime factors of this number, 3 into, so uh, only uh, uh, this is a this is in pair, this is in pair, this is in pair. So these are numbers are in pair, but 3 is the single number. So if we divide this number by 3, so divide 27 by 3, so this will become 900. So the new 900 is a perfect square, so square root of 900 will be 30 in this way. And now question number 11. Find the smallest square number which is completely divisible by 10, 16 and 24. The smallest square number which is completely divisible by 10, 16 and 24. So first find the LCM. So prime factors are, LCM of 10, 16 and 24 is this, but 53. Yeah, these numbers are not in pair, so we can write 2 to the 4, 4 to that, 8 to the 16 means 4 into 4, this number, this, and this is 15 and 15. So 2 to the 4, this number is 60, 15 for the 60 and 15 for the 60. So square of 60. So number is 1600. So this is the smallest square number which is divisible by 10, 16 and 24. So this is our answer. And next question is 12. The children of class 8th of a school contributed 3025 for the Prime Minister National Relief Fund, contributing as much money as there are children in the class. So let there are x children in 8th class, and each contributed x rupees. So the total collection is 3025. X square is 3025. X is equal to 3025. Find the square root of this number. So find its prime factors. 3025. I'm starting with 5, 11 and 11. So it is a square of 55. So x is equal to 55. So there are 55 students in class 8. This is our answer. And solve the MCQ by yourself. Okay, do MCQ, all MCQs questions. So we have completed exercise 3A.